Good morning, everybody. Pleasure to see this big number of bright people here in Yerevan this sunny day, November day. Sorry about this weather. Some of you may be reluctant to go back, but we can have you more than during this two-day event. Dear guests, dear partners, financial technology sector, colleagues, esteemed guests, we are kicking off this wonderful event. This is first in its kind forum organized in Armenia together with PLUS, and we are very excited about that. What's going on around us right now? We are in this bigger region of South Caucasus and Central Asia, which is under the focus of all politics, global trade, logistics, investors, and it attracts really, we feel that passion from abroad. It attracts capital investments, entrepreneurs and talents here. And this is the right place and the right time to have this kind of wonderful event. The innovation is driving our societies, our countries, and this is the real driver of growth and prosperity. And human capital and technologies is critical, especially for this kind of small countries as Armenia is. Mr. Grizov is right. Armenia, together with China, we are together almost 1.5 billion people. Let's go through some just facts that what we did in last couple of decades. Armenia started its, I have some marker to, who will control this?
There we are.
The
technology starts with this.
Yeah, which one?
You just need to click the button.
Yes, we have started our institutional reforms very early, in early 2000s, and all the Basel III adoption, the consumer protection ecosystem with the financial mediator, the mandatory insurance, deposit guarantee fund, establishment of Armenian card as a national payment infrastructure, centralized credit bureau, national mortgage refinancing organizations, stock exchange in the group of Warsaw Stock Exchange now, and many more institutional layers that we establish. It's a strong ground for further developments. And about some recent trends in last couple of years, the cashless economy and e-governance, e-economy, e-society generally is under the focus of central bank, of the government and the businesses. The cashless payments increased 22 times in last 5 years, and total transaction volume growth by 109%. We have covered the whole country from every small village to small groceries and shops, the payment infrastructure supporting the major local and international payment services. We have 11 million accounts, bank accounts, 800,000 active e-money wallets, and the penetration of banking and financial sector, both insurance, loans, deposits, cards, etc., is quite high. Second, we would like to emphasize the openness of Armenia towards the world, the new ideas, innovation, new companies, and cooperating with all regions. We are the part of the Eurasian Union. We are in this very interesting region. We are partnering with different countries throughout the world. And international payments increased by 4.5 times in last 5 years. Armenian card, for example, is increasing its interoperability with different international institutions, with different national infrastructures to make the seamless payments globally. Let's remind you that we are a diaspora nation, and it's very usual for us to serve diaspora accounts. We have customers from all continents, and this is not something new for us. The world is opening up, and we are ready for this openness from this moment. Further about the new technologies, the crypto market and technologies is just an example, and we decided to go through holistic regulation of the system. Just on the right side is some figures that these astonishing figures, high growth of now $3.5 trillion market cap is already very serious, $150 billion global trading volumes. Armenia, by acceptance index, is somewhere in the middle by 79%. We want to be slow, to go forward slowly but surely. We don't want to compromise our financial system by technology just itself. And on the left side, just our thinking process that we are technology neutral. Whatever we are regulating, it's same activity, same risk, same regulation approach, and we want to be active listeners what the industry is doing and reflecting that, but without jeopardizing the main pillars of prudence in the country. And financial stability and consumer protection is one of the pillars that we would like to control, and compliance of AML CFT is non-negotiable, and market conduct and competition is also very important. Just one case that, according to our legislation, this all crypto world should be cashless. It's we see some criticism that it's restricting the market, but these markets are about innovation. These markets should not, at least, be about money laundering or crime. Next, couple of words about capital markets. We see tenfold increase in securities accounts, 4 times increase in 5 years of stock exchange volumes, which are still very modest. We are going interoperable with stock exchange, with different regional exchanges. You may know the Tabadul platform, which is promising, and we are opening up in that field as well. We have introduced a regulation of crowdfunding, which is very important for early stage, idea stage startups to enter into capital market. The government is providing several initiatives for SME businesses to enter the capital market by covering part of issuing costs. Among other very important reforms that we managed to have, and some of the authors of this reform are here sitting with us, and we are proud of that, is the pension reform. Currently, the pension funds, 2 of them, operating in Armenia, manages $3.5 billion of assets. It's 8% annual average return that they are delivering, and 25% of current, that number is just accumulation coming from the investment return. The 34%, more than a third of investments are made abroad. Together with our $4.5 billion international reserves and commercial banks and securities firms, this is another channel where Armenian savings are invested abroad. I will say just a few words about this digital agenda. We will have chance to talk about that. The technology penetration into financial sector and our effort as a central bank is just a part of a global picture, what the government, what the country is doing. The digital agenda is taken very serious, is on the institutional rails, and we have created information system agency in Armenia, which will oversight public and private infrastructures and services, set standards for interoperability, set standards for cybersecurity, and we believe that innovation and technologies are the only source for good governance, for better services in financial sector and in other sectors and in public sector as well. And these all systems should work interoperability. You cannot make innovation in financial sector when you have some problem in public sector or in other services. There is a well-known quote that we have to create it. It's a prediction of the future is a waste of time. The other day I was listening to a Russian famous psychologist. He's talking also about technology, and it's really very hard to imagine what will be the future of banking, how AI will penetrate in our life, as we couldn't predict how, for example, telecom, internet could affect our lives. We couldn't imagine that. But we should be in the process of innovation together in cooperative mode, openly, based on the trust, based on respect, based on inclusion. And we believe that our initiatives in different areas of open banking, open finance, the interoperability system, the cross-border initiatives, all is complementing each other, and we believe in bright future, and we believe that Armenia in this wonderful region will be one of the main local centers for excellence, for technology, for financial services, and for generally for development of our society. Thank you very much, and I wish you great panel discussions, great meetings. It's very important to meet to each other. I hope you have a lot of business cards with you to share with other colleagues. Enjoy Finnoway Armenia. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khachaturian. Thank you.